Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Wednesday, the 2nd of January. And just first start off by saying Happy New Year to all of our fellow traders, readers, and members out there. Looking forward to a prosperous 2013, and boy did we kick it off today. Is this a fiscal boom, and is it going to continue? Stocks continue to see considerable strength after moving in sharply at higher at the open this morning. The markets continue to benefit from a positive reaction to the news of the last-minute fiscal cliff deal in Washington, but will it last? A lot of traders are saying they just think it's a short-term boost to the markets today. A couple traders that I interact with on Twitter are even saying that they're selling this market today. They don't buy into it that it's going to continue, but we shall see. The news about the fiscal cliff agreement has largely overshadowed a report from the Institute of Supply Management showing a rebound by manufacturing activity in the month of December as well. The ISM said its purchasing managers index climbed to 50.7 in December from 49.5 in November, with a reading above 50 indicating an expansion by manufacturing sector. Economists had expected the index to climb to 50.5, so a little bit better than expected there. A separate report from the Commerce Department showed an unexpected drop in construction spending in the month of November as well. And with that, let's move on to the markets and see just how the markets are reacting today. And as you can see, big moves up today. The Dow is currently trading at 13,322, up 1.6%. Scores a plus 70. Long term, we're still in a negative mode. Long term or intermediate term, we are making that move up. The Nasdaq still kind of pulling back a little bit off the high today, but still up 2.2%. Kind of hit a high right at the open of 3,103, currently trading at 3,084. So a little bit of a little high opening, a little bit of a pullback, but nevertheless still a huge move up today. S&P 500, much the same. Currently opened up at 1426, moved up to 1457 before kind of pulling back off the highs a little bit at 1450, but still plus 1.67 today, much like the Dow's like that 1.6 range. EURUSD, it's actually been down today, down about 0.63%. Currently trading at 1.317. Still plus 75. Long-term, intermediate-term traders are still long this market. Short-term are on the sidelines. Gold's starting to make a little bit of a rebound. We still need to get this, let's see here. We'll do a little drawing on the screen here. Currently this red weekly is at 1705. Actually let me clear the screen here real quick. We'll put the weekly back on here just so we can, the weekly and the daily. Hang on here. And the daily, there we go. I'll kind of show you. We're going to need to get above, what is it here? Right above this level back here, which is 1723 is where we're going to need this weekly to kick in and turn around. If you're familiar with MarketClub, you know we're waiting for this weekly here. So for the green weekly, we're going to look for around that 1720 level before we get back there. But if it keeps moving up that way, it looks like it's making a nice turn back. We shall see. We'll clear the screen here and move along to silver. Silver, much the same thing. We're still weekly still down at negative 85. Intermediate and long-term traders are still short this market. Short-term traders are on the sidelines. But we're going to need silver to get back above the 33 level before we get a weekly entry signal for a long position for short-term traders, and it would signal an exit for intermediate-term traders to get out of their short positions now. Copper, huge run up today, 3.25% on good volume for the contract, currently trading at 3.722. Big move up, still plus 80 long across all time frames today. Crude oil's been making a run. There's that trade that before we left, we were looking for crude oil to break above 90, and we get our weekly trade trial signal somewhere around that 90, 50, 90, 90 level, and there it was back on 12/26, day after Christmas, $90.90, and it's had a steady move up on the fiscal cliff news. currently up 0.53% today. Hit a high of 93.87. Kind of pulled off that a little bit. Currently trading at 92.85. I'm sure everybody's feeling that little bit of a pinch at the gas pumps there before the holiday. The gas prices have been dropping significantly, but now of course they're back up. Natural gas actually huge down day yesterday, went as low as $3.05. Monthly trade triangle and a weekly trade triangle kicked in to good enter short positions across all time frames. Currently at negative 90, and there it is, monthly, weekly, and daily. Moving along, big mover of the day today was Zipcar headlining news that Avis is going to purchase them for almost $500 million in a bid to become the #1 rental car company here in the U.S. and I imagine worldwide. Huge move up, $8.68, up 48.06%. And of course, I just kind of went to them. I said, well, I wonder where the trade triangles are sitting at. Well, there you go. There's our monthly entry signal at $8.64, currently trading $12.23. Nice little profit if you had gotten in on the that monthly there, if you had been watching Zipcar, if you were interested in the rental game there. We'll move along, and then conversely, I pulled up Avis Budget Group, and there it is, CAR. Nice, just kind of a nice steady move here by this stock. And you can see it's just kind of been going along. We've actually been long this market from 1468 based on a monthly trade triangle entry signal. We actually re-entered after selling out of a position here for intermediate time frames at 1729. It's a nice little profit today at 20.69. With that, I think we'll wrap it up today. And glad to be back in the offices here. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-538-7424, or you can always mail us at support@ino.com. Kicking off the new year with a big update. We'll have to see if it continues through the rest of this short week. Hopefully Adam will be back to give you guys a report before the end of the week. With that, we'll see you tomorrow. Every success in your trading, and hope you have a great trading day today.